US warned Germany, this story says, about possible Ukrainian attack on pipelines. The Ukrainians have long opposed Nord Stream 1 and 2 since they bypass the pipelines running through their country, denying them lucrative transit fees. But in this case, they had another, even stronger motive, stopping Europe from offering concessions to Russia in exchange for gas. And for Ukraine, read America, and for America, read the cult. Now, meanwhile, you'll notice they're not trying to stop this war. They don't want to stop it. You had America blocking it, and you've had Boris Johnson, when he was Prime Minister, reportedly involved in blocking it, because it gives this cabal so many benefits in the nature of what they want to do to the world. And one of the key points that Russia said they were invading to stop, and maybe would not have invaded had it made clear it wouldn't happen, is Ukraine joining NATO. Because this has big implications in the current situation. Because I think it's called Article 5 of the NATO Charter, says that any member state that's attacked by an outside force country will trigger NATO going to the defense of that member state. So if you have a situation with Ukraine that they join NATO, then that kicks in and NATO becomes the official defender of Ukraine. You're looking at war between NATO and Russia. And so the cult stooge, US stooge, Zelensky, leader of Ukraine, well, it says here anyway, has now, in a provocative move on purpose, read from his script and staged the signing for an application for membership of NATO, which, like I say, will make NATO, if it happens, obligated to directly defend Ukraine. So this is the stooge reading his script.
Де-факто ми вже пройшли свій шлях в НАТО. Де-факто ми вже довели взаємосумісність зі стандартами Альянсу. Вони реальні для України, реальні на полі бою і в усіх аспектах нашої взаємодії. Ми довіряємо один одному, ми допомагаємо один одному, і ми захищаємо один одного. Це і є Альянс. Де-факто. Сьогодні Україна подає заявку, щоб зробити це де-юре, за процедурою, яка відповідатиме нашому значенню для захисту всієї нашої спільноти у пришвидшеному порядку.
To think they have made that guy a hero. He's got stooge stamped on his forehead, and of course oversees a fascist operation in Ukraine, which includes shutting down political opposition and shutting down media opposition. And, when people think, okay, well, no, the West are the good guys, they wouldn't do that.